If someone doesn't have access to Phoenix, you can still provide them with a single click the entire project contents. Let me show you how to do this. Let's assume that you have a completed analysis. In this example, we have an executed NCA object. The NCA results show the PK parameters for a two-period crossover design with two formulations. The results also contain a pair and elimination plots. This project contains additional figures of NCA results. And a bioequivalence assessment has also been performed. Now, let me show you how to make all these results available to someone who doesn't have Phoenix. Start by selecting the workflow that contains all the objects that you wish to export. Right-click and a drop-down menu will appear. Then select the Dependencies menu item. In this dialog, choose the location where to save the export. Because a lot of objects will be generated, it is recommended to create a new folder to hold those. Type a descriptive name for the index file. Select Save to start the export. If you have a large project, this export might take a little longer. Clicking Yes will open the index XML file in your default browser. In this index XML file, you can explore the entire export. Each workflow object will have hyperlinks to all the inputs, settings, and results. A hyperlink labeled as source indicates input for the object. Hyperlinks labeled as generated indicate results. Clicking on the hyperlinks takes you to the output, a table in this case. When done, simply click back to return to the index file. Plots are saved as JPEGs and will also open in the browser. All Phoenix text output is saved as plain text. Alternatively, you can view all the output files generated in the designated folder. Each individual object in the Phoenix object has been saved as its own file with the format automatically defined. For example, worksheets are CSV files and plots, as mentioned before, are JPEGs. The index file that we looked at has an XML extension, and it has been saved also in this folder, and you can open it from here. Hope you found this tip helpful.